So in this video, I'm going to show you how to learn any skills for free on YouTube. Very simple and straightforward. Firstly, you want to make sure you have internet connection on your phone. Then afterwards, you move to your YouTube icon, and if you don't have YouTube icon, you have to download it. Then let's move on. So click on your YouTube icon like this and you're going to go to the search bar up there, and you're going to type whatever skills you want to learn. Firstly, if you want to learn about website designing or graphic designing, you just type anyone you want to go for, but it will be a little bit different. So for me, I want to learn graphics design, so I'm going to tap graphics design 101. So you want to make sure you have this 101 right here, so that you're going to narrow down the search to whatever you want to learn. So you're going to tap on this, and so we are here right now, right? So you want to go to the person's channel and see their playlist, if they actually have courses that, the courses, if the courses are actually following each other. So because you want to learn it gradually, not like everything, you want to learn everything. So you're just going to go to the person's channel and check if their playlist actually correlate with what you want to learn. So go to their playlist icon there and tap on it. So you move down and see what they have to offer. So now you want to make sure that you follow the playlist one after the other. Now, for example, look at this graphic design basics. You want to tap on it and find all the videos that's going to be helpful for you right there. And this is it. So you want to go to the first ever video and look at it. So you want to go to the first video and watch the video to understand the basics, and move on. So the most important thing you want to learn about this is to put them into practice. You have to make sure you put it into practice. And if you don't like this channel, or you don't like, or the course or the website is doing too much, so you want something more simpler, you want to go further by looking at other people's channel. For example, you want to go to this person has the playlist of all beginner's guide to graphic design. So you want to click on the person's video and you see what the person has to offer. Go to their playlist as usual and see what is going to give you clarity. So go to the ever first video and see what you can learn. So my advice is that you have to put all this into practice. You have to practice and practice, so you get the right information. Thank you. Enjoy this video so far. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, because your subscription and your like will help this channel to grow, to meet more people a lot, and I really appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.